We're gonna make a small children's mallet, not this big. All right, friends, so I'm gonna take a 2x4 block and a little 3/4 by 3/4 piece, and I'm going to cut this block down lengthways to be the head of a little children's mallet, so they can have a little mallet to do some projects around the house or just copy the parent or whatever. So first thing we have to do is we need to create our chunk here. So I'm gonna use a drill press and hand tools, and that's all I'm gonna use. So I wanna create a mallet head, and so I want to go the same length over as the thickness of it. So this is a 2x4, it actually measures 1.5 inches. I'm gonna measure over 1.5 inches and then cut it, and then I'm gonna determine what looks good for the head, how long, maybe like 4 times the length of this width. So we'll see what looks good. Okay, so 1.5 inches, and I went 3.5. So now I'm going to cut this and right there. All right, so here's gonna be my head. So now I want to find the exact center. I'm gonna drill a hole that's not quite this big, and then I'm gonna shape this and make it a rounded handle so it'll go in there, and then I can put a little wedge in there. I had this really cool piece of purple. I'm gonna make my wedge out of that so I can have a really cool looking wedge. That's gonna be my wedge, folks, right there. Save that. I'm gonna drill that hole. And this is 3/4, so I'm gonna make it about a 5/8 diameter hole right there. All right, so now I need this square handle to be rounded. So what I'm going to do, so I'm gonna round it by hand. I could use a file or a rasp, and I will use those later, but first I'm gonna use a spoke shave and get my square corners off. All right. Okay, we are flush now. So now I can go ahead and cut a little spot in here. I'm gonna take my coping saw. I'm gonna put a little glue around this. The wedge is just a little bit wide. Since it's so small, I could probably just break it. I'm gonna cut it with my knife. All right, now we have a little child's mallet. Now the only thing left to do is take a file to all these sharp edges so we don't get any splinters. All right, so it's not Thor's hammer, but it's not meant to be. It's just a little mallet for a child to play with. So remember to work hard, folks, because hard work is its own reward. And thanks for watching.